Hey guys, it's Mimi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this silk press at home. If you would like to know how I went from looking like this to this, just keep on watching. I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair off camera with a few items that I recently started using from the Vida hair growth line. I've been using these products for about 2 months and I'm really enjoying them. They are a little pricey, but I love the way my hair looks and feels after using them. Here you'll see me blow drying my hair using the tension method before I go in with the brush. The blow dryer I'm using is by Hot Tools, and quite honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about this blow dryer. It did not stretch my hair like my older cheap blow dryer did. So I did get good results, but I didn't get the results that I typically would have if I would have used my old blow dryer. Now I'm going in with the Babyliss titanium flat iron using the chase method. I believe this is the 1 1/4 inch. I can typically get my hair nice and straight using the iron on 375°F, so I try not to go any hotter than that. You'll notice I'll go in and tap my roots twice, but I try to only pass through the rest of my hair once. You'll see in a moment that I go over a few sections. I mentioned earlier how my blow dryer didn't stretch my hair like my old one, so although I did get really good results, I still didn't get the sleekness like I usually get when I use my old blow dryer. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in me refilming this using my older blow dryer to see how my hair usually turns out when I follow these steps. Here I'm just applying about a dime size amount of the BioSilk Silk Therapy Light for some added shine. Also, I'll leave links to all the products mentioned in the description box. This is pretty much the completed look. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!